Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Now, if you read my community posts, you might have seen this one where I was debating buying this resin horse. And it was on sale, so I did end up buying it. It was quite expensive for the size that it was, but it was in a very rare position, so I don't regret buying it. So I was opening it and everything seemed to be going fine until... oh my gosh. Oh no. It was broken. But luckily I did manage to fix the tail, and I did find the tip for the ear, which was great because I thought I was going to have to resculpt the ear. But I mean, just look at how gorgeous this resin is. Like, she is so cute. I am so happy she's in my collection now, and I cannot wait to paint her. And there will most likely be a video on that, so stay tuned. Before you leave, I just want to give you guys a little update on how the 2K subscriber special repaint is going. They're currently only primed right now, so they will probably have to be the 3K or even 4K special, so I'm sorry about the delay. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and let me know if you want more videos like this. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!